Greetings, fellow students of astrology, to another episode of the Lilly Lectures. Today, we embark on a mysterious journey to unravel the secrets of determining the number of thieves through the intricate art of astrology. I am William Lilly, and shall be your guide through this chapter. To determine whether there is one thief or more, observe the significator of the thief. If the significator is in a fixed sign and has direct motion, or if it is in a sign associated with a small number of children or limited diversity, it suggests that there is only one thief. On the other hand, if the sign is a common or bicorporeal sign, it indicates the presence of more than one thief, especially if there are several peregrine planets in the sign. Additionally, when the sun and moon form a square aspect with each other in the angles of the chart, it suggests the involvement of more than one thief. Signs that signify many children are Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, while signs associated with few children are Aries, Taurus, Libra, Sagittarius, Capricorn, and Aquarius. Signs associated with various shapes or forms are Gemini, Cancer, Sagittarius, and Aquarius. Barren signs are Gemini, Leo, and Virgo. Signs of direct ascensions are Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, and Sagittarius, while signs of oblique ascensions are Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, and Gemini. If the moon in the hour of the question is in an angle of the Earth and in a common sign, it suggests the presence of more than one thief. However, if the moon is in any of the other angles and in a fixed sign, it indicates only one thief. The number of planets with the thief's significator corresponds to the number of thieves. If the moon is in a common sign, it suggests more than one thief. When the lord of the ascendant is in a masculine sign and the lord of the hour is in a feminine sign, as mentioned earlier, observe which one the moon applies to, indicating the principal actor. If the angles, especially the first and seventh house cusps, are movable, or if the thief's significator is in Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces, it suggests more than one thief. If the sign in which the thief's significator is placed is immovable or a double-bodied sign, it suggests more than one thief. When both the sun and moon observe each other from the angles, it signifies more than one thief. If the moon is in the ascendant and it is a double-bodied sign, it demonstrates the presence of more than one thief. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of determining the number of thieves. Until our next journey into the stars, I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.